let's discuss some of the important questions you might come across in your exams or Viva paper. Don't worry about how you're going to remember all the carpal bones. I'll be telling you a mnemonic that will help you remember the order of these carpal bones extending from the lateral to the medial side, first in the proximal row and then in the distal row. So the mnemonic we have is Sally left the party to take Kathy home, which we all know that that's the sequence of the bone: the scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, pisiform, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate and hamate. What is the bone that sticks out of your wrist called? The pisiform bone is the small bone that is found in the proximal row of the wrist. How the transverse arch formed by the carpal bones is being maintained at the wrist joint. This arch is maintained with the help of flexor retinaculum, which attaches medially to the pisiform bone and laterally to the hook of the hamate. Laterally, the retinaculum binds to the scaphoid tubercle and to the groove of the trapezium. Tendons of the carpi radialis runs through it. The space formed between the retinaculum is called the carpal tunnel, and the tendons of the flexor pollicis longus, flexor digitorum profundus, flexor digitorum superficialis, and the median nerve pass through it. How many of the accessory bones can you find among the carpal bones? The 4 accessory bones can be found occasionally in the carpus. The central, styloid, secondary trapezoid, and secondary pisiform bones are proven to be the accessory bones one can find among the carpal bones. And sometimes the scaphoid, triquetrum, and pisiform bones are divided into further 2 bones.